Hi Brooke, Alma here. I spoke with Bernie earlier today regarding this video that I said I was going to send over to show you guys how you can get more customers to your site. So let's get started. I have you side by side with two of your competitors. I have Antelope Plumbing here, and I have the Plumber on this one. I want to talk about three things: content, backlinks, and citations. What is content? Content are all the words and images that you have on your main page, like you have here. And it's also important to have those images saved under relevant keywords. So when people are looking for the services that you offer, they're able to find you also through the images on your page. Let's try saving this image as you can see, you do not have it saved with keywords. So that's one thing that you can do to make that change. Also, Google doesn't care how beautiful your site looks. What they care about is the content and images. Google wants anywhere from 1,500 to 2,000 words on your main page. And I have this tool I'm using to see how many you have currently. It shows that you have about 752. Let's look at your competition. For Antelope Plumbing, 529 words on the main page, and for the Plumber, 362. So just by increasing the amount of words you have on your main page, including images, you will be ahead of the game. Now, the second thing I like to talk about are backlinks. And for that, I have a tool here called Ahrefs I like to use. This is a paid tool that I use, and you can also use yourself. It's about $300 a month. And it gives me important information on your site behind the scenes. These are the backlinks here. What are backlinks? Backlinks is having a website refer to another via a clickable link. These are important because they help with the following three things. They help you ranking, they help you with search engine discovering your content faster, and they help with referral traffic when someone clicks on a link to your site. Also, backlinks are called link juice, which is a term used to measure the amount of power that a backlink passes onto your site. And it reflects right here on the power. Let's look at your competition. These are their backlinks. They're not giving them a lot of power. And let's look at the Plumber. They have all these, not giving them a lot of power. The reason why is because not all backlinks are made equal. Some of them do not pass on that link juice to give the website any kind of power. And you can see that right here. Those are called no follow. Even though they have this amount of backlinks, only 64 are passing on link juice to them. 924 are not. For theirs, they have all these, but they only 116 are passing link juice. And let's look at yours. Only 74 of yours are passing link juice. The no follow are not endorsed by the original author or publisher of the page. They do not count as a point in the page's favor, and they do not boost your page ranking either. And lastly, I would like to talk about citations. What are citations? Citations is having your business name, address, and phone number in as many local online directories as possible, like Yelp.com, YellowPages.com, etc. Citations lend credibility to your business, and they help impact your ranking and also bring traffic to your site. As you can tell, you have this organic traffic coming every month on average. Antelope Valley has about 132, and the Plumbers are 130. So definitely having more citations is going to increase your organic traffic because your business information is going to be out there in many more places. So to summarize, I recommend increasing your content to help Google display your business information in search results. Also, the more content you have, the more value to users, the higher your rankings. Adding quality backlinks from as many authoritative websites as possible that will bring you more link juice to your site, giving you more power, and increase your citations to give your business more credibility. All of these things will help you get more organic traffic to your site. these are some of the things that you can do on your own. So yeah, thank you so much for your time. If you don't mind leaving me just a line of feedback in response to this email, that would be fantastic. I appreciate your time. Have a great day.